Our world is filled with wonders that defy logic and challenge our understanding. Today, we explore 10 natural phenomena so bizarre, science still struggles to explain them. First, the mysterious Hessdalen Lights in Norway. For decades, unexplained orbs of light have danced silently above this remote valley, defying all conventional explanation. Witnesses describe them as floating balls of energy that change color and speed. Despite scientific monitoring, their origin remains an electrifying mystery. Next, we journey to Death Valley, California, home of the sailing stones. These heavy rocks move across the dry lake bed, leaving long trails behind them. For years, no one saw them move. The secret was finally partially solved: thin sheets of ice pushed by the wind, yet many details remain puzzling. Number 3. The booming sand dunes. In deserts worldwide, some dunes produce a low, resonant hum that can be heard for miles when the sand slides. The sound resembles a distant airplane or a cello. Scientists understand friction causes it, but the precise acoustic mechanism continues to echo with questions. Our fourth phenomenon is the underwater crop circles of Japan. Intricate geometric patterns over 6 feet wide appear on the seafloor, crafted by a tiny pufferfish. The male fish tirelessly creates this art to attract a mate. But how and why this specific, complex design evolved is a beautiful enigma of the deep. At number 5, we find Skyquakes. These are mysterious booming sounds heard near coastal areas worldwide, with no visible source like storms or aircraft. Known as mist poofers or guns of the Barasal, their sudden cannon-like reports rattle windows and nerves, leaving scientists listening for a definitive answer. Phenomenon 6. The everlasting storm over Venezuela. At the Catatumbo River mouth, lightning strikes up to 280 times per hour for 160 nights a year. This relentless electrical display creates its own ozone. While geography plays a role, the storm's incredible consistency and power remain charged with mystery. Number 7 takes us to Turkey's growing mystery, the Fairy Chimneys of Cappadocia. These strange, conical rock formations were carved by erosion, but their rapid growth puzzles geologists. Some chimneys seem to be getting taller against all logic. The delicate balance of wind, water, and rock continues to shape this living landscape. The eighth wonder is the Blood Falls of Antarctica. From the Taylor Glacier, a waterfall the color of deep rust stains the white ice. This isn't blood, but iron-rich saltwater from an ancient trapped lake. This subglacial ecosystem, isolated for millions of years, challenges our ideas about life's limits today. At number 9, we encounter the Taos Hum. Doom. In New Mexico and other global locations, a small percentage of people hear a persistent, low-frequency humming sound. It's inaudible to most, but for those who hear it, the hum is a constant, frustrating presence. Its source, whether geological or physiological, remains muffled in silence. And for our 10th and final phenomenon, we look up to fast radio bursts. These are intense, millisecond flashes of radio waves from deep space. They release more energy in a blink than our sun does in days. Are they calling neutron stars, alien signals, or something entirely new? The cosmos isn't telling. Let's delve deeper into a few of these. The Hessdalen Lights have been studied with radar, seismographs, and cameras, yet they evade a single neat explanation. Some theories suggest plasma formations or pace electricity from stressed rocks, but the valley keeps its secrets, glowing quietly in the Norwegian night. The sailing stones movement required a perfect recipe: a wet playa, a cold night to form ice, and a gentle, persistent morning breeze. But why do some rocks move in parallel paths, while others turn? The precise dance of ice and stone still holds subtle, unanswered steps. The Venezuelan everlasting storm may be fueled by a unique topography. Wind from the Andes meets warm air from Lake Maracaibo, creating a perfect storm factory. Yet, other similar geographies don't produce such a permanent light show. This suggests hidden variables are at play, keeping scientists in the dark. Blood Falls teaches us about extreme life. The subglacial lake is dark, salty, and devoid of oxygen, yet it hosts a unique community of microbes. These organisms use sulfate and iron to breathe, a process that likely stains the water. It's a glimpse into how life might exist on other worlds. Fast radio bursts are perhaps the most cosmic mystery. They come from billions of light years away, meaning they happened when the universe was young. Discovering their true cause could revolutionize astrophysics. Each new burst is a message in a bottle, cast across an ocean of space and time. These 10 phenomena remind us that our planet and our universe is far stranger and more wonderful than we often assume. Mystery is not a flaw, but a feature. They represent the frontiers of our knowledge. In every unexplained hum, every moving stone, and every flash from the void, there is a question waiting. Science continues its pursuit, not to erase wonder, but to deepen it. Each answer often reveals new, more fascinating questions just over the horizon. So, the next time you hear a strange sound or see an unusual light, remember, you are living on a world filled with beautiful, enduring mysteries.